We know that's a troll asking me stupid ass questions about a car with 124,000 miles on it. And those be those distractions. See, that's why I was like, I'm not even worried about it. Hell, I'll check out your references. Good to see you, Estrella Garcia. Y'all know to go check her out. She does cinematic premieres over on her channel and prefers to see them on your channel. So if you know you're going to have a video set for a premiere, make sure you put the cinematic premiere on it and tag your homegirl Estrella in it. You see what I'm saying? Because she would love that. Appreciation. Good to see you. Hopefully you're having a good day. You know I am. It's another day in paradise over here. Team Deep Water Cultivating with your boy TWP. And for those who don't know, you can either call me TWP or you can call me Popcorn, because you don't have to call me TWP Popcorn because you're going to pick whichever one you want. Now, just don't call me Pop. Okay, just don't call me Pop, because if you get popped, it's not my fault. It ain't my fault. I'm just a boss. Don't be out here looking like an employee. What about your employees, Dalla?
Cannabis micro businesses. That's the buzzword in Missouri, which revealed its first round of license winners across the state.
The Kansas City Metro had the most applications for dispensaries compared to other Show Me State congressional districts. Fox 4's Jacob Kittlestat's live from Westport, home to one of the license winners. Jake, you're finding a trend with these locations?
Yeah, Lauren, we have. They're all empty buildings. Nothing's going on. But these licenses, they were announced just yesterday, and this is really a situation where you need to have that license before you can do a lot of the other work. 40 Highway in Independence, this former Steak and Shake is listed as the potential future home of a dispensary micro business. Troost Avenue, this spot, once a car lot, is the address listed on the application for a winning wholesale grow operation.
Oh, that's crazy, because I just drove by there earlier and I was thinking the same thing. Like, this little block right here would be good for a little chop shop.
And in the belly of the West Bottoms, this back alley, surprisingly a part of State Line Road, also secured a grow license. They are a few of the first 40 cannabis micro businesses getting an initial go-ahead by the state, targeting certain demos for ownership.
By both minority group members and those of limited financial means.
Dan Vietz is the Missouri coordinator of NORML. He says a license will likely attract startup investors, allowing low-capital outsiders to break into the business. But state paperwork shows some applicants apparently banded together, with 74 out of the nearly 200 applicants for a KC area dispensary listing this spot on Archibald Avenue as their potential address. Missouri health officials say that is allowed, and in fact, the licenses aren't married to a specific address. More information will be sussed out in the next month, but one highlight, the random selection process was taken very seriously.
It was conducted by the Missouri Lottery. The fact that those locations are vacant buildings now means that they are immediately available for development.
So these are going to be micro businesses, and for example, a grow license means that one of these facilities could have up to 250 flowering plants at the same time, and they could have 3 to 4 active crops over an entire year, so that's a lot more product for the marketplace. Jacob Kittlestat, Fox 4, working for you.
Shit. They're gonna have to increase that 3 to 4, because I'm trying to get a harvest every month.
333.
You dig?
3 is the number of communication. So when anyone sees those 3 numbers together, they have to basically start communicating more. Whether it be going to a party, you have to be more social. 555, it might be a baby on the way. 5 is the number of sexual energy. 666, 6 is the number of family. So again, most people think that's some kind of...
Oh my God.
Most people think that's a negative number.
Is that why they make it so negative? Because they're against the family unit?
Exactly. So it's not just that, but think about it this way. 666 is not the number of the devil, okay? There might be a devil, I'm not saying he doesn't exist, but 666 is not the number. 666 is the number of time itself. 60 minutes in an hour, 6 and 0, 6. 60 seconds in a minute, 6 and 0 and 6. And